Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to go through a couple methods of naming variables with some different variable types in C programming. So let's get started. So we have this naming underscore vars.c file created, and I'm going to include my standard header file, and then I'm going to move into my main function. And in my function, I'm going to declare some variables. So in some previous videos, we declared integers like int a, b, c, and then we set values for them lower down. But when we declare the variables now, we're going to declare them right as we declare the type. So the first one is going to be a variable of the type character that's equal to just c. The next one's going to be an integer, which is a number. Let's say that's 7. And the next one, we're going to have a float, which is 3.1415. And then after that, we're going to have a double, which I'll call balanced, and that's going to equal 50,000. Okay, 0.23. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is now print these out. So I can say the language I'm styling is, how about not styling it, I'm programming in is, and then %c, and then we'll do a /n, and let's make a period here too for proper punctuation, and we'll say letter. Okay. We can also do printf and say my favorite number is %d, and we'll put a period and a /n to get a new line, and we'll say number. Okay, and notice between character and integer, we used %c and then %d. Okay, the next one, we're going to print f pi is equal to, and we're going to do a percentage sign and then 0.2 f, because I want to just have 2 decimal places. Let's put a period and a /n to move down to the next line, and we're going to pass in that pi variable. And then finally, we're going to do printf and then say the bank balance is percentage, and we'll do .3 this time, and f, because even though it's a double, we're still going to put it f as a float. And we're going to pass in, first we're going to, end that sentence, go down to a new line, and then pass in balance. Okay. And at the end, we're going to return 0. And I'm going to close out my main function. Let's save it. Let's now compile it. So we're going to do GCC and then naming vars.c, and we're going to output, let's just do naming vars. Okay, so it compiled all fine, and let's run it. And you'll see now that it says the language I'm programming in is C. My favorite number is 7. Pi is equal to 3.14, because we had the 0.2, so we cut it off at 2 decimal places. And the bank balance is 50,000.230. Now, even though we put 0.23, we had a 0.3 here for our formatting, so we go to 3 decimal places. Anyways, so that's a little bit about declaring variables in C and then formatting them when you use them in printf. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.